What's up, car lovers? Welcome back to Channel V8X, where power meets performance and future cars come to life. If you love bold SUVs, aggressive design, and next-generation technology, you're in the right place. This is Channel V8X. Main voiceover. This is the Toyota RAV4 2026, finished in a stunning deep maroon metallic, a color that instantly screams confidence, muscle, and premium American road presence. From the very first glance, this SUV doesn't just arrive, it dominates. Let's start with the front view. That wide, aggressive stance combined with sharp LED headlights gives the RAV4 2026 a fearless personality. The bold grille and sculpted hood lines make it look ready to attack the road, whether it's city streets or open highways. This is not a soft crossover, this is a serious SUV. Move to the side profile, and the strength really shows. The muscular body lines, large black alloy wheels, and perfectly balanced proportions give the RAV4 a powerful American-style silhouette. In deep maroon metallic, every curve reflects confidence, speed, and modern engineering. Now look at the rear view, pure attitude. Those sharp LED tail lights, the wide stance, and the aggressive rear bumper design make sure no one forgets what just passed them. This angle alone proves Toyota wasn't playing safe with the 2026 RAV4. Step inside to the dashboard view, and the story changes from muscle to intelligence. A fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment display, and premium interior materials create a cockpit that feels futuristic yet comfortable. Everything is designed for the driver, clean, modern, and ready for long American road trips. Under the hood, the engine view represents Toyota's smart power approach. Whether it's a hybrid or advanced petrol setup, the 2026 RAV4 focuses on efficiency without sacrificing performance. Strong acceleration, smooth response, and reliability you can trust. Now imagine a drone view shot. The RAV4 cruising through open American landscapes. From above, the deep maroon color shines against the road, giving this SUV a commanding presence that looks straight out of a Hollywood car commercial. On the highway shot, the RAV4 truly comes alive. High speed, smooth handling, confident lane presence. This SUV is built for freedom, long drives, and unstoppable momentum. And finally, the night shot. LED lights glowing, reflections on the road, and that dark maroon paint shining under city lights. This is where the RAV4 2026 turns into a beast after dark. Now let's talk price. The Toyota RAV4 2026 is expected to start around $30,000 to $35,000, depending on the trim and features, making it one of the best value for money SUVs in its class, especially for what it offers in design, technology, and reliability. Outro, channel call. So if you want an SUV that looks aggressive, drives smart, and owns every angle, the Toyota RAV4 2026 is built for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Channel V8X. Because here on Channel V8X, we don't just show cars. We feel the power.